Hello everyone, how to do some back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Faxo the everything application. So first of all, you need to open this app. Then you have to create your account. So I'm just going to create an account with my Google account. I already tapped my Google account. Just wait a second. So it's really easy. So in first attempt you can create your account. So you can see here, then just like this. So you can see like people share YouTube videos or others. So you can see here friend and marketplace, notification, your profile. So you can see a couple of options: make money, marketplace, friends, dating, chat. So all the things available in one place. If you tap make money, then earn up to 500 when user click the super thank button on your post. So Faxo will notify you how to collect the money at your settings below. So you can see here like your post, when people say buy and send, so people can send you money. So this is amazing, and this is new app you can try.